Imagine the vast darkness of space. A silent ocean with no sound, no air, no life, only endless stars and mysteries. And out there lurking like invisible monsters are black holes, cosmic traps so powerful that not even light can escape their pull. But here's the question, what would happen if you didn't just look at one but fell into it? Would you be crushed into nothingness, transporting across the universe? Or maybe experience something that no human mind can truly understand? Today we step into the abyss and imagine the impossible, falling into a black hole. Your journey begins far from home. Imagine drifting through space, carried toward a dark region where stars bend and twist like reflections in broken glass. At first you might not even see the black hole. It hides in darkness, revealing itself only by the way it warps everything around it. The stars in the background start to smear, stretched into rings of light, the phenomenon astronomers call gravitational lensing. As you drift closer, the force of gravity grows impossibly strong. At a distance, your body feels nothing unusual, but then your feet, just a tiny bit closer to the black hole, begin to feel a stronger pull than your head. Slowly, the difference grows, stretching you like taffy. Scientists have a chillingly accurate name for this process: spaghettification. Your body elongates, every atom tugged in the same direction. The silence of space is overwhelming, but the universe itself seems to scream as matter swirls around the black hole. Gas, dust, even entire stars are ripped apart, spiraling inwards in a glowing accretion disk that burns hotter than millions of suns. To an outside observer, this disk shines like fire, but to you, it is a last warning before the point of no return. At last, you face the boundary of the black hole, the event horizon. This invisible surface is not a physical wall, but a cosmic threshold. Once you cross it, escape is impossible. No rocket, no speed, not even light itself can break free. From the outside, someone watching your fall would see something strange. To them, you appear to slow down, moving slower and slower as you approach the horizon. Your image freezes, fading into a ghostly red glow, as the last light you reflect is stretched into invisibility. To them, you never truly fall in. But from your perspective, reality feels very different. Time doesn't slow for you. You keep falling, and with every passing second, the universe behind you grows more distorted. The stars stretch into streaks of light, then into infinite spirals. The laws of physics themselves seem to bend. Space is no longer flat, but curved around you, funneling you inward like a whirlpool of reality. Your sense of direction disappears. Down doesn't exist anymore. There is only forward into the abyss. Yet surprisingly, you don't notice the moment you pass the horizon. There's no dramatic barrier, just silence. The universe you left behind is sealed away forever. You have stepped into a place no one has ever returned from, a realm where the rules of nature no longer apply. Beyond the horizon, the universe collapses into mystery. Here, space and time trade places. Every path leads forward toward the singularity. Imagine a point smaller than an atom, yet containing the mass of millions of suns. That is where you're headed. Every second, gravity grows stronger, pulling you faster than light itself. The strange thing is, you wouldn't even feel the speed. Space itself carries you, folding around your body. The deeper you fall, the stranger it gets. Some scientists believe that you'd be crushed, your atoms stretch thinner than paper until nothing recognizable remains. Others think something more exotic might occur. Perhaps black holes don't destroy information at all. Maybe they hold secrets in their cores, hidden from the rest of the cosmos. Theories grow wilder here. Some physicists suggest that the singularity might not be an end, but a doorway. A tunnel through spacetime, what science fiction calls a wormhole. Falling into one black hole could, in theory, send you out through another in a distant part of the universe, or even another universe entirely. Of course, this is speculation. No human or machine has ever sent back a message from within. Your body, your memories, your story, all of it may end here. Or maybe it transforms, carried into dimensions our minds can't comprehend. Inside a black hole, physics stops being a set of rules and starts becoming poetry. And now the question remains, what really happens to you inside? The truth is, no one knows. Black holes are like locked boxes with unbreakable seals. We can observe how they behave, how they bend light, how they consume stars. But what happens inside the horizon is a secret the universe keeps. Some scientists argue that black holes are cosmic graveyards, where matter and energy end their journey. Others say they could be cosmic archives, storing every piece of information they've ever consumed. Then there are those who imagine they could be gateways to new realities, hidden bridges to parallel universes. The mystery deepens when we ask, if nothing escapes, how can we ever know the truth? Maybe one day, with new physics, humanity will discover what lies beyond. Or maybe black holes will remain eternal enigmas, forever unsolved, forever feared, forever fascinating. For now, the only journey we can take is with our imagination. And in that journey, you have fallen into the deepest mystery of all. So what if you fell into a black hole? You would experience the strangest and most terrifying journey the cosmos has to offer: spaghettification, warp time, infinite darkness, and perhaps a passage to somewhere new. Black holes remind us that the universe is still filled with secrets, mysteries beyond our reach, and questions that might never be answered. But maybe that's the beauty of it. The unknown keeps us curious. It keeps us looking up at the night sky, wondering what else lies hidden in the stars.